phytoplankton, microscopic plant-like organisms with a pivotal role in the success of all life. Powered by the sun, in this rich mix of nutrients, their population explodes. This multiplying plant life soon attracts millions of small crustaceans, krill, and other tiny animals. A plankton bloom, the biggest frenzy of all life on Earth. Here in the Indian Ocean, plankton blooms attract one of the world's most awe-inspiring creatures. The manta ray. With a wingspan up to 8 meters and weighing as much as a ton, they fly through the water, filtering plankton. Up to 6,000 manta rays live in these rich waters around the Maldives. The plankton bloom attracts an even bigger giant. The world's largest fish, a whale shark. It has a mouth about 1 meter wide, perfect for sucking up plankton. This titan of the sea may have swum hundreds of kilometers just to feed on this plankton bloom. Together, this is a huge gathering of some of the biggest animals on the planet. For nutrients to be brought up to the surface, it can take thousands of years. Here, they not only fuel the largest ecosystem on the planet, but they play a crucial role in the most important connection of all, one that affects all life on Earth. When plankton blooms reach their peak, they raise the temperature of the ocean surface, driving weather systems across the whole planet. Powering storms and hurricanes. Systems that ultimately create rain.